Hello friends, welcome to this video and we will see the program of the perfect number with help of classes and object. So the perfect number is the number which is having the sum of factor of the number excluding itself is equal to the number itself. For example, 6 is a perfect number as it is the sum of the factor 1 plus 2 plus 3. And another type of thing is given prime number also. The prime number is divisible by 1 and itself. The question says there is a class called number problem and there are the function which is calculating the nth prime. It means if you say 5, so what is the fifth prime number? First prime number is 2, second prime number is 3, third prime number is 5, fourth prime number is 7, fifth prime number is 11. This will, if we return input 5 to this function, it will return 11. Then the next function is saying void perfect number below intn. Here it is saying first print the nth prime number and then print all the perfect number below that. It means if you input 5, it will display 11 and then display all the perfect number which is falling between 1 to 11 along with sum of factors, along with factors of it. For example, here it is given also. You can see fifth prime number is 11 and 6 is the single perfect number which is found, which is displayed with its factors. So let's see, this class is having no member data. The first function which you can see is nth prime. So what is done to find the nth prime? We have made a loop starting from 2. Okay, we have made an infinite loop starting from 2. So this loop will generate the number. And there is another loop of j which is counting number of factors of I. Okay, so I is 2. So what will happen? The j loop will run from 1 to 2 and divide 2 by 1, then 2 by 2 and count how many factors are there. If number of factors of I is 2, then it will increment the counter by 1 and go ahead. So in case the number of factors are 2, the counter is incremented. And in case the counter is equal to n, it means we have found nth prime number. Okay, so suppose we have given 5. So what will happen? First 2 is a prime number, counter becomes 1. Then 2 is the prime number found, counter becomes 1. Then 3 is found, counter becomes 2. Then 5 is found, counter becomes 3. Then 7 is found, counter becomes 4. Then 11 is found, counter becomes 5. The counter becomes 5. 11 is the value of I and it will return 11. It is there, break, and then at the end return I. I is the number which was the prime. Then in the next function, perfect number below given nth prime number is this. The first thing, n is the which prime number you want. So what we have done in this function, we have called the function nth prime and we have passed n to it. So what happened? When you pass 5, it will return 11 and store in the variable np. So this statement is displaying nth prime number. Now we have to display all the prime numbers between 1 and nth prime number. So we have made a loop from 1 to np. So this will generate all the numbers from 1 to the given number. And thereafter there is a loop which is taking sum of the factors. This loop. For I equal to 1, I is less than num. Less than num is number itself is not included. If num is divisible divided by I, it means I is the factor. S equal to S plus I, factor sum is taken. After coming out of this loop, if the sum is equal to the number, it means number is a perfect number. If the number is a perfect number, it is displaying the number here and then it is again taking the sum of factors, and this time it is not taking the sum, it is just checking the sum of the factor and displaying those. All right. At the end of this, after making this function, we will write a main function where we will input the number from the user. We'll create the object of the class and call the function perfect number below n, and this number is receiving a number. This function is receiving a number from the user, so we'll call this function and pass the number, and then it will perform the given process and display all the perfect number below nth prime number, right? So thank you very much.